Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download DramaWave application on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS device, you can simply go ahead and follow through the steps. So make sure you watch till the end. First of all, make sure that the device that you are using has a stable internet connection. Next, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in DramaWave. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button or the Install button to begin the download process. Wait until the app gets installed. Once it does, tap on Open. And that's how you easily download and install DramaWave application on your mobile device. You can go ahead and create a new account or sign in as a guest in order to enjoy your favorite drama. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.